Discover a career that blends art and science, and watch your future take shape with an Esthetics Technology certificate from Wake Tech. Aestheticians are in high demand across the country, and employment opportunities abound in salons, med spas, resorts, and even cruise ships.
It's really a truly endless possibility when it comes to this career field, and I feel that Wake Tech really does a great job preparing you for this career field.
Wake Tech's simulated salon environment prepares you for a career in professional skincare or as a platform artist. Our expert faculty will help you acquire the skills and tools you need. In addition to knowledge and technical competence, you'll learn about products, business, and human relations. You'll improve your critical thinking skills and prepare for professional certification and licensure by the state. Take the first step toward a unique career full of possibilities. Start thinking about aesthetics technology at Wake Tech.
When you do go out into the real world, there's not a panic like, oh my gosh, what am I doing? You were prepared because you had each of those steps and each of those building blocks to really help you get to where you were wanting to go.